Do you know how your current SAP authorizations will impact your license costs in S/4HANA? SAP is changing how user licenses are measured, and these new rules could significantly affect your costs, security, and future flexibility. Are you ready for the transition? The transition from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA or SAP S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition changes how licensing works now. In ECC, SAP user licenses were based on usage and executed transactions. Today, SAP license measurement is fully authorization-driven, meaning only what users are authorized to do matters, even if they never use those permissions. This shift brings major challenges. Small role changes can trigger costly license upgrades. Overly broad authorizations can cause over-licensing, and keeping transparency across systems, roles, and Fiori apps is nearly impossible to manage manually. This is where our tools make the difference. To overcome these challenges, Xiting delivers powerful tools that put transparent, reliable control over SAP licensing in your hands. The Xiting Authorizations Management Suite, or short XAMS, is a powerful authorization management tool that simplifies role design, tests changes safely, optimizes authorizations, and analyzes licenses, all inside your SAP system. It uncovers cost-saving opportunities, prevents over-licensing, and helps you stay compliant. The Xiting Security Platform, or short XSP, complements this by consolidating identities across multiple systems and cloud environments, providing a complete, transparent view of license usage across your entire landscape. Together, XAMS and XSP make license management easier, proactive, and fully aligned with your business needs, helping you prevent risks and control costs before they even occur. Now let's see what this looks like in practice. Most companies begin with the official SAP Ruleset defined in SAP Note 3113382. SAP provides its licensing logic in detailed Excel spreadsheets that map authorization objects to S/4HANA license types. While precise, the sheer volume of information makes interpretation and manual maintenance challenging. Xiting translates this technical rule set into a clear, actionable version within our craft feature, which is our critical authorization framework. You receive a transparent, structured rule set aligned with SAP's official logic, optimized for real-world role design and license measurement, and continuously updated with the latest changes. 2 of the 7 XAMS modules provide precise and efficient license analysis directly within your SAP system. The Role Designer module can simulate license types during role creation using real usage in a completely risk-free virtual project environment. This enables you to identify and address issues early on, reducing costs before new roles even reach the production environment. It also allows you to analyze users, providing a complete and transparent view of your authorizations and licensing situation. With the Role Profiler module, you can calculate the correct license types for your existing roles and users to ensure accurate results and identify optimization potential. For organizations operating multiple systems or cloud landscapes, XSP delivers a truly consolidated cross-system perspective. It identifies a single global user, merges roles and identities across all connected systems, and calculates license requirements holistically, not system by system, but end-to-end. With modern Fiori-based dashboards, XSP keeps everything clear and easy to navigate, giving you transparency, which Excel sheets and standard SAP tools simply can't match. Want a deeper look at SAP's license metrics and the new S/4HANA rule set? Our free Xiting white paper breaks it down in a clear, practical way, with strategies, technical scenarios, and concrete optimization approaches using XAMS and XSP. Download it here. To wrap things up, here are the key benefits of using Xiting for license measurements. Firstly, you gain full transparency across systems and roles, from individual authorizations in XAMS to global user consolidation in XSP. Secondly, accurate rules-based SAP license measurement aligned with SAP's official framework, helping you avoid over-licensing and reduce costs early. Thirdly, efficient, disruption-free optimization with simulations, virtual testing, and Fiori-based dashboards that give you clear, actionable insights. And lastly, we from Xiting, as trusted gold partner for S/4HANA Readiness, offer you expert guidance, modern tools, and long-term support for compliant, sustainable license management. If you're transitioning to S/4HANA, now is the time to understand the new user license measurement and how to stay compliant and cost-efficient from the start. This video was just the beginning. Next, we'll walk you through XAMS and XSP in detail and show you how these solutions streamline license management. Learn more on our website or reach out for a personalized demo.